Hey guys, it's Abby. I know I don't normally speak in my YouTube videos, so hopefully this gives you an idea of who I actually am as a human being. I wanted to make a quick unboxing video today of an order that I received from Angelus Direct, which is the brand that I use to paint my shoes, my custom shoes. I'll put a picture here. I think if I don't know, I don't really make these videos, so hopefully I could get a picture up really quick. Okay, yeah, so that's some of my work. I apologize in advance for one, if there's lipstick on my teeth. I can't really tell from this far away. And two, if I'm super awkward or too excited. Sometimes I don't know how to speak when I'm opening a package, let alone one that has like 20 things in it. So we're gonna see how I handle this situation. So yeah, I'm gonna make an unboxing video. First off, I want to say hang on, give me a second. When I first placed the order, it went through, processing and all that, and I got an email saying that it was packaged and getting ready to be shipped. And then immediately after, I got an email saying, "We're sorry, we may have accidentally sent you the wrong color for one of your collector's edition orders, whatever. We may have sent you regular infrared instead of infrared 2014, which I believe 2014 is brighter than regular infrared." Which, if I'm being honest, I probably wouldn't have noticed that they sent me the wrong one until I actually started to paint with it. But I really appreciate the fact that they caught that right off the bat, and saved me the hassle of having to call and be like, "Hey, sorry to be a pain, but the other one's brighter." So yeah, I was really excited about that, and they sent the correction paint immediately after. I actually received the correction paint before I got the big package, which is a whole other story in itself because I got in a fight with the post office. I'm just kidding. I didn't cause a scene, but I really wanted to. Anyway, so yeah, I already opened this because I'm like way too impatient for anything ever. So I got this in the mail. This is the correction paint. This is the infrared 2014. It's super bright. This camera and lighting does zero justice for this situation because this stuff is awesome. Let's see if I can open it. Well, yeah, it's pretty much the same. But yeah, I'm very excited about that. I'm excited to use that. And they sent me an apology sticker, which they really didn't have to do, but I'm really glad they did because I was having such a bad day when I opened this. And first off, let me say that Angelus makes the best stickers. If you're into painting at all, they make the cutest stickers. So this was it. If you know me, you know how I have like a serious relationship with the color blue. Doesn't matter what shade, it's just that's my shit. So they sent me this, and it's so cute. Like, of all the stickers they could have sent me, they sent me this one, and it made me so happy. All their stickers are their little 1-ounce jars with little faces, and they're always doing something. So this is Pacific Blue, and he's surfing, and he's so into it. And that just really made my day. I know they probably threw it in being like, "Here, like, sorry." They didn't think anything of it. But I want you guys to know how much this made my day, and thank you so much to whoever was like, "Give that girl a sticker." That was a very, very nice little package that I received. Now moving on to the big boy, the big kahuna. This right here, this is a package. Let's do this. So here's my slip of all the things that I had ordered. Just a reminder of how much damage I did. That's okay. I've been like hiding this package from myself for like 2 days so that I didn't open it before I filmed this. For someone like me who has zero self-control when it comes to packages or like anything that's taped shut, really, I'm pretty impressed with myself. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Oh, there's so much stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, breathe. Everybody just relax. Okay, so here's, oh my god, yay! Here's my sticker. Sterling silver. I don't have him yet, so I'm excited. I'm like worried that I'm gonna get to the point where I start getting doubles of what I already have, but even so, I don't care. I just got a new toolbox. My boyfriend's grandfather had like an old masonry toolbox, and it's mine now. So I'm gonna cover like the inside with stickers, so I'm excited about that. So this is him, so cute. Pinky's up. Oh my god, his pinky's up. Amazing. Oh god, I love it so much. All right, so right now I have a solid collection. How cool. 3 really good colors. Yay. And my other free gifts were a lanyard. It's really cool, like camo. It says Angelus on it. I realize everything is backwards. I'm on the front cam because, you know, I gotta see what I look like. Honestly, I'm on the front cam because I want to make sure that I don't have lipstick on my teeth the entirety of this video, which I think, okay, well, whatever. And a drawstring bag, let's see here, with the Angelus logo on it. That's the thing that I have now. Happy about that. Oh, this is the sticker that I ordered myself because I love it so much, and I've been eyeing it up since I first went on the Angelus website, and I finally was like, you know what? I'm gonna spend the $1.50. I'm gonna buy that sticker for myself because I don't think they give these away as the free sticker. I think it's just the paint things. I could be wrong. I have no idea. But this guy, little old man, oh my god, I love it so much. I just feel like this is me in sticker form. Sometimes I compare myself to like an 80-year-old man, and I'm not really sure why, but it makes sense in my head. So this is him. I haven't named him yet, but I will. I will. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so first off, I bought some empty mixing jars because I'm always mixing a color and then I have to cover it, and I'll take like saran wrap and a rubber band or something, and it's just sloppy and it's not how you should be doing it. So I just bought a couple of these because, you know, I need them. It's like those things you don't want to spend money on because there's cooler things, but you know you need them, like paper towels and toilet paper. You need them. Oh, here's a third one. I forgot I got 3, not 2. This is a paint strainer, little wire mesh in there. This is for if I just recently started using an airbrush, so I need to make sure that there's no dry flecks of paint in there. Otherwise the airbrush will get clogged and it's a big mess and I'll have a meltdown, and this will just save me a lot of time and take a lot of stress out of my airbrushing experience. And then I got the cleaning kit, which is an easy cleaner. This is Safely Clean Surface Stir on suede, leather, buck, rubber, linen, Gore-Tex, nylon, satin, canvas, plastic, and vinyl. I knew that I had to get this eventually and I kept putting it off. But this is for, like, you know, bringing sneakers back to life if I'm not working on a brand new pair, which I do prefer, but it's also nice to just have this in case I do have to clean them. And this brush is a really, really good quality brush. It has their logo on there in gold, and the bristles are so, like, they're rough, but they're soft, you know? That's what you need in a shoe polish brush. Little ASMR. A little, okay. These brushes, we have number 2 round. Hang on. How about I take them out and show you? Oh wow, and they're all individually packaged. So that's awesome because I hate getting brushes that are already frayed out before you even buy them. This is the number 2 round for thin lines, small details, and monogramming. This is probably going to be my most used brush. I don't even know why I'm bothering holding it up to the screen because it's not focusing. This is the number 6 flat, I believe. Square shapes, sharp edges, filling and blending. This is a number 10 flat, base coats, broad strokes, heavy blending. It's a big one. It's like, that's my nose for scale. Nice size. Number 6 filbert. I love these rounded brushes for getting, like, especially if you're like on an edge and you have to hold it at kind of like a 45-degree angle. I don't know why. I think it's just because it's tapered. It's a lot easier and neater. There's less cleanup. 1/2 inch angular. This is also good for seams, like getting, like say getting behind the Nike symbol or something like that. Angle shapes, edge detailing, multiple lines, yeah. Yep, happy about those. Okay, so I'm just really overwhelmed. There's just a box full of paint in front of me. So I got some 2 Hard. This is an additive to add to the paint if you're painting, you know, plastics or like, you know, midsoles, or the plastic part of a midsole. This is one thing that I didn't have that I know I needed, so I'm happy that this is in my arsenal now. We got some pearlescent sterling silver, Butte pearlescent 18 karat gold. Matches my sweater a little bit. And this is beautiful. It's like a dark, dark bronze, metallic bronze. You can't really see the color in that, but I guess you can. Paradise purple, neon, awesome. That's just, I want a whole, I just want to paint a pair, just solid this. So if you want that, let me know. Gift box blue, one of my favorite colors. Rio Red. This is intense. This camera's not doing us any justice whatsoever. It's a lot more pink in person. The infrared that the mistake. So the one that I did get, the one that they sent me afterwards, this is the one they sent me originally. This is just plain infrared. This is the one that I ordered, which is a lot brighter. CONCORD 8 is one of my favorite collector's edition colors. I mean, they're all my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. It's really cool. It's like an indigo almost. Volt, I've been wanting this. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's gonna be great. MELO 2, this color is just very relaxing to look at. And Miami Vice. Love that. Hell yeah. And then, doesn't stop there, some leather prepper and deglazer. I think this actually came with the kit, the cleaning kit, because I do already have some of this. I just got it for Christmas because my family knows me very well. So I got some of that. This is for, you know, prepping, taking the factory glaze off of shoes before you paint them. Otherwise the paint won't stick. And some matte acrylic finisher, which I also already have, but I need more of it because I've been painting a lot of canvas shoes. So that's one last thing, a t-shirt. Hell yeah. Okay, so really good quality, really soft. I love t-shirts like this. It's this canvas brand. My mom gets these a lot. They're like it's almost like silky, but it's a really good fabric. The screen printing is really good quality. It's not just like a sticker, it's like really a part of the shirt, which I can appreciate. I want to wear this all day. I'm really excited. I have so many things. I wish I could show you them all at once, but this situation is not good. It's very messy. Thank you so much, Angelus, for always being on top of your shit. Sorry for the language. I'm just really excited. I don't really know how to end this now. I didn't think of that, and I don't normally make these videos. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully I could get on here more and make more speaking videos. Yeah. I'm ready to get to work now. New year, new paints. Let's get it done. 2019. Where am I? Where's over here? Okay, I'm just gonna go. Bye, guys.